Due to overpopulation, water, air, and earth are getting polluted. But one more form of pollution which cannot be ignored is light pollution. Since the last few decades, world's population has increased drastically, or we can say that it has doubled. With the increase in population, industrialization has also shown an increase. Since the population and subsequently the industries have shown growth, electricity consumption has also gone up. After the discovery of bulb, artificial light has become an integral part of our life, and now we are always surrounded by artificial lights and are not habitual of staying in darkness anymore. Darkness is actually very essential for the environment and for our health. Causes of light pollution are street lights, hoardings, domestic lights, and decorative lights. All these contributes to light pollution. Several types of light pollution exist, including glare, which is a disruptive light that shines horizontally. No matter what form light pollution takes, each can have harmful impact on wildlife, especially on sea turtles, which can have their nocturnal patterns disrupted due to them. More than 50% of the population is unable to experience dark sky in its original form. Particularly, Singapore and New York have such an abundance of artificial light. During the last few decades, the usage of artificial light in our daily lives has increased. Nights are getting brighter by 2% every year. If we talk about India, between 2012 to 2019, artificial light has been installed in huge numbers. Artificial lights lead to problems in our eyes. A plethora of light damages the photoreceptor cells of our retina. Due to this, our natural sleep cycle is disturbed and the natural healing power of our body is reduced. Evolution of our body occurs based on the laws of nature. We have been nourished with the rhythm of day and night that has been existed since the human evolution. Our biological clock also operates accordingly. Since we are slowly getting away from darkness, it is also introducing us to many diseases. This is not about getting enough sleep, but also being in front of light at night, which is unnatural. In our body, melatonin hormone is produced when we are in complete darkness. Its job is to increase the resistance of our body and reduce the cholesterol content, and it is also used in much important functions which are required to keep our body healthy. It is important to note that light emitting from computer screens, which is a blue light source, is also a barrier. Therefore, working on computer late night is not only harmful for your eyes but is harmful for your entire body. Those women who do the same have an increased chance of developing breast cancer. If there isn't complete darkness, then animals are affected directly. Birds start birthing early and baby tortoise forgets its way and die. Actually, they find their direction by looking at moon and stars. But when they are passing through an optical region, they cannot decide and comprehend their actual position. Many times, they either get late or early in the same confusion, and many times they even die without getting favorable conditions at the destination. In one study, it has been found that millions of insects died every night because of the street lights. Thousands of birds are killed due to beam light. France has also banned the uses of beam lights. We also know that plants make their food through the process of photosynthesis, and the darkness of night helps them to produce an important compound which is photochromic. This process of making a compound is disrupted by the lights they're getting all the time. Millions of tons of coal is used to produce electricity, and even today 70% of the electricity is produced using fossil fuel. These fossil fuel emits large amount of carbon dioxide. If we use light properly, we can save up to 50% of energy. With small measures and lifestyle changes, we can make it work. So what can we do to make it work? Let's start with use light only when necessary. Use lamp shades and get used to sit in dim lights. Keeps the light of the ad boards and signboards off. Don't use your phone at night, and if necessary, reduce them to night mode. We are not creatures of night, and we need to understand that. With these small but important efforts, not only we can support Mother Nature, but we can also take a step closer towards attaining better health.